Here's how to define your curls without heat damage using GHD speed. After washing and conditioning your hair, gently towel dry before prepping with GHD Sleep Talker. Smooth this through your curls from the mid-lengths to the ends. Next, comb through your hair to detangle and gently tease out any knots. Then, twist your curls to perfect their curl pattern. Grab your GHD Speed hairdryer and attach the diffuser nozzle. Start to hover around the hair until it's about 60% dry. This hairdryer is ultra fast and cool to the touch. Cup your curls into the diffuser and continue through the rest of your hair. The GHD Speed diffuser has an extra deep bowl, so you can get perfect curls without the frizz. You may want to tip your head upside down while you dry for extra volume. And in no time at all, you'll have gorgeous diffused curls without the heat damage.